चलो नोटबुक निकाल ले बच्चा। सर दर्द हो रहा है यार। गुड इवनिंग बेटा। Now let's see. Today hyperbola related questions we are going to do. Last class we have discussed about hyperbola. In that you have to listen and understand what and all you have to do in hyperbola. Last time I have generated a difference between hyperbola and ellipse, and I have written the equations related to that part. So now today we will be solving questions related to it. Good namaskar Payoja. Today hyperbola ke साथ साथ 3 dimension भी I am going to give the introduction of 3 dimension also. Okay, so hyperbola and 3 dimension introduction, both work we are going to do together beta. So first question we will start for hyperbola. So hyperbola, we know now how the hyperbola looks like. The hyperbola is looking like this beta. This is exactly the directrix, and this will become the focus. Understood? The focus point will be taken as AE comma 0, and this is S dash minus AE comma 0, and this is the vertex point. This is A and this is A dash, and this is the center. Understood? And this is Z dash, Z, and this is Z dash, and these are the directrix. So we have already studied this section. Now what we are going to do, we will be solving questions related to it, because generally they will be asking in one question. Divya, good evening. Gagan, good evening. So now look here, Vanakkam Gagan. So now look here, we will start doing the questions. Let's start the questions beta. Vertex given is what? So vertices, when they will be asking you, so when they will be asking you vertices, they have given you vertex actually. And what is the vertex given to you is plus minus 5 comma 0. Understood? So vertex point, if this is given, this section is given, means vertex point is given, and the entire hyperbola, if first section plus minus 5 is written, what does this mean? If first section plus minus 5 is written, it means that the hyperbola is resting on x-axis. Understood? And then beta, what is foci given to you is, they told that the foci given to you is 7 plus minus 7 comma 0. Understood? Plus minus 7 comma 0 is foci given to you beta. Now what they are asking from you, they are telling that find the equation of hyperbola. Okay, you need to find the equation of hyperbola in this case. So how you are going to generate the equation of hyperbola? Come on children, say what and all you are going to do. So look here. So definitely when you will be talking about vertex, so vertex point will be what? So when somebody will be asking you about vertex point, so vertex point will be that point here, A and A dash. Understood beta? So vertex, that means what? What is the value of A here? The value of A here is equal to 1. So A is equal to here 5. This is the vertex one. Understood? And what is focus beta? So focus S dash will be there. So when focus you are writing, so here this part will be AE. Understood? So AE is coming as 7. AE will be coming as 7. Now 5 is there given. Understood? 5 is given. Very good, Gagan. So 5 is given. Focus is given. That means what we need? We need B here. Got it? What we need is B here. So what formula we are going to write? B is equal to B square is equal to A square E square minus 1. Understood? So here what you are going to write? B square is equal to A square E square minus A square. So B square is equal to AE whole square. AE whole square will become 7 square minus 5 square. So 49 minus 25, B will be equal to root under this. So 9 minus 5 will become 4, and 2 minus 2, root under 24 is coming as B. That means beta, now we are ready for writing the equation of the hyperbola. So what will be the equation of the hyperbola? Understood. What will be the equation of the hyperbola here? X square minus a square. What is a? 5. So 5 square will become 25 minus y square by 24 equal to 1. Because b square will become 24. B square will become 24. I hope children you might have understood how to solve these questions. Come on children, say me. Did you understood this one? Is it okay? Did you understood there? Kamlesh, good evening, Kamlesh. Beta, till here, is it clear? I have exactly explained you how to get the equation of a hyperbola. For getting the equation of a hyperbola, we don't have to do very big work. A was given because vertex point has been given to you. Focus was given. Beta, AE part is given, and with the help of this two, we got B and we wrote the equation of hyperbola. So this is one part question they are asking. Now again another part question we are going to solve. Nishika, did you understood here, beta? Hmm? So now one more another question we are going to do for hyperbola. Some questions are there which we need to solve. Mostly for hyperbola, they are not going to ask very big questions. Okay. Now question given to you is find the equation of the hyperbola. Second question is find the equation of the hyperbola. Now beta we have to find the equation of the hyperbola when what is given vertex is given. So now what vertex point is given to you when the moment vertex is given as 0 plus minus, note down, when the vertex is given as 0 plus minus, okay, 7 and foci is exactly given to you is Nishika, come on, solve. Everyone, please try kindly try to solve this question. And foci is 0 plus minus 28 by 3. Nishika, solve this question. And the foci is coming as plus minus 28 by 3. So 100% foci is given to you, focus is given to you, and vertex is given to you. So when focus and vertex is given to you, how you will be finding the I hope you might have understood. Till here understood? Till here, did you got this point? Now we are going to solve the next part. So now look here. Vertex point is what? So here is the hyperbola on x-axis or y-axis? Come on, say. Where is the hyperbola? Where is the hyperbola? On x-axis or y-axis? Huh? Very good. The hyperbola is on y-axis. You need to understand that the hyperbola is on y-axis. So now the part here is you need to understand that the hyperbola is on y-axis. So this is exactly the hyperbola and it is on y-axis. Understood, beta? So C is the center part and here it is coming as Z and this is Z dash and here this part will be coming as focus S and this part is coming as focus S dash. Understood? So now vertex point beta, so here vertex will not be A, here vertex will become B. Got it? So vertex will become what? B. So here B is equal to 7 given. Understood? Vertex point will be B here. Always remember when the hyperbola will be resting on x axis, vertex point will be A. When the hyperbola will be resting on y axis, the vertex point will be B. Understood? And here focus will be BE. BE will be equal to 28 by 3. Remember this always. So B is coming as how much? BE is coming as 28 by 3. Now what will be our equation in this case? Our equation in this case will become A square is equal to B square E square minus 1. Remember this part. A square is equal to B square E square minus 1. So it is coming as A square is equal to B square E square minus B square. So BE is this much. So it will become this much whole square minus what is B beta? 17, 7 square. 7 square will become 49. 7 square will become how much? 49. So 28 by 3 whole square minus 7 square. So in the shortest way what we can write here, look here, 28 by 3 plus 7 and 28 by 3 minus 7. A square minus B square we can write like that. So once you are writing till here like this, what we are going to do, we will be writing here 3 7 21, 28 plus 21 by 3, 28 minus 21 by 3. So here 8 plus 1 9, 49 by 3 is coming into 8 minus 1 7 by 3 is coming. So how much it is coming total? Check this one out. 7 9 63, 6 7 4 28, 343 by 9. Understood? So this is exactly coming as a square. So a square is coming as 343 by 9. This is exactly how much we are getting. 343 by 9 is coming as a square. Now what is your b square? B is exactly given as, so what part we are going to, b is given as 7. So now we are going to write the equation. We know that in that equation, hyperbola equation will be different, because now when it will be resting on x axis, on when it will be resting on y axis, values will change. Understood? So sometimes in ncrt book they have given it differently. When it will be resting on y axis, equation will be exactly, a will be taken somewhere, b will be taken somewhere, so minus b part will come first. We can be writing like that also. B section will be, a section will be written in terms of b. We just need to represent that one. Understood or not? So here B section will be more. So I'm just writing the general statement. At A will be what? A is coming as 7 square. So 7 by 3 whole square minus y square is coming as 28 by 3 whole square equal to 1. So this will become the equation of the hyperbola. Understood? So equation of the hyperbola for conjugate, it will be written like equal to minus 1 also we can sometimes write. Okay, for conjugate. Transverse it will be plus, and for conjugate it will be minus 1. You need to represent like that also. Okay. Huh? Okay, I'm moving. Now, some books, different books are having different way of presentation. For this books, when the hyperbola will be resting on, when the hyperbola will be resting, Nishika, when the hyperbola will be resting on y-axis, at that time the equation will become like this, minus 1 you can put. Understood? So here A will be written as 7 by 3 whole square, and B will be written as 28 by 3 whole square. The down part I am telling, and equal to minus 1. So this is a way of presentation of a hyperbola. So based on this, only 2 or 3 questions, major questions they will be asking, like one question coming also is a very good luck. But most of the time what they are doing is, they will be asking questions from ellipse or parabola. Ellipse and parabola is hot favorite. Hyperbola questions very rarely they are asking these questions. Okay. Now if they will be giving you like this question, how you are going to proceed? So what is the equation? For transverse hyperbola, equation is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Understood? And for conjugate hyperbola, when the hyperbola part will be resting on y axis, it will become x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to minus 1. Understood? X square by a square minus y square by b square will be equal to minus 1. I hope you might have understood this one. Is it clear? I hope you might have understood this one. So this is exactly one very important thing we have understood. Now we are going to go for the next part. Are you ready for it, beta? So one question I am giving you, conjugate axis and transverse axis if they will be giving. Okay. So now get ready for one question. Try to solve this question. It will give you some confidence. Okay. So the question is, vertex will be, vertices are 0 plus minus 6. Okay, vertices are 0 plus minus 6, and eccentricity given is beta 5 by 3. Come on, go for it. This is most easiest question, you can be able to do it. Come on, write the equation. So vertex is exactly the mirror. Vertex will tell you where and all what you have to put. So once vertex you are knowing means, you will be able to find the equation perfectly. Come on, go for it. After that coordinate 3D we are going to start. Very good, Rudra. So now Rudra has got the answer. So now look here, what we are going to do here is vertex point is given to you. So once vertex is given to you, 0 this. So we know that the vertex will be coming like this, means it is not a conjugate hyperbola. It is not going to be a conjugate hyperbola. Sorry, it is not going to be a transverse hyperbola. It is going to be a conjugate hyperbola. Conjugate hyperbola means beta the hyperbola will be resting on which axis? Y axis. The hyperbola will be resting on which axis? Y axis. Okay. So now we are going to do only one work. Got it? So this point is there. So this is exactly going to be this section. So B value is given. So B is equal to 6 given. Eccentricity is equal to 5 by 3 given. Okay. Now A. So A will be equal to B square E square minus 1. So 36, and here it is going to be 25 by 9 minus 1. So it is coming as 36 into 9, 25 minus 9 by 9. Okay, so here 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So it is coming 4 into 25 minus 9 is 16. So it is coming as 4 into 4 into 4. So a square is coming as 4. So we will find root. So it will come 4 into 2, 8. So A is coming as 8. So A square will come as 64. Did you got that? 64? Yes. So A square is coming as 64. Happa. So this is, so equation will become what? X square by A square, that is 64 minus Y square by 36 equal to minus 1. You can present in all different way, y square minus 36 by x square, that part, and I'm writing it as minus 1. So it is not going to create a lot of problem there. I just wrote like this only. I hope you have understood this one. Come on, this is the question. Now we are going to go for the next question. Foci and later sectum given. So when foci will be given to you, foci part is given means how you are going to solve the question. Foci is given as plus minus 4 comma 0, and later sectum LR is given as 12. Come on, go for it. Foci and later sectum is given, LR is given, then what we are going to do? How we are going to solve the question? Foci and later sectum, LR is given. Understood. So Foci and LR is given. Now solve it. Foci and LR is given means how you are going to solve the question. Come on, go for it. See, first part is given means let us, once this value is given means it is exactly resting on where? It is resting on x-axis. Foci is here and this is AE comma 0, and S dash will be exactly minus AE comma 0. This is exactly going to be coming and solving. So we need to just check this one out. Foci section is coming. So we will write it as AE is equal to 4. Correct? Now LR, latest rectum. Latest rectum is given as 2b square by A, and that is exactly coming as 12 is equal to 2b square by A. 2b square by a is coming. So this and this will get cancelled. It will become 6 is equal to 6a is equal to b square. Then how to proceed and solve this question? 6a is equal to b square is coming. Latest rectum is given. Vertices point is given. Foci is given and latest rectum is given. We know only one connectivity there. This part will be equal to b square is equal to a square e square minus 1. Okay, now b square, instead of b square, what you can write here, 6a is equal to a square e square minus 1. Understood? So here it is coming as 6a, you leave it as it is coming as a square e square minus a square. Done. So a is equal to 4 here. So it will become 6a is equal to 4 square minus a square. Understood? So this one you shift this side, it will become a square plus 6a minus 16 equal to 0. Got it? So 16 will be coming as what? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So 8a square plus 8a minus 2a minus 16 equal to 0. So a will come as a plus 8 minus 2 a plus 8 equal to 0. So a will have two values, either 2 or minus 8. Nima. 2 and minus 8. I hope you might have understood. So A will be having two values, either 2 and minus 8. So vertex point will definitely be shifting here and there. So when A will be exactly having 2, then what will be B? Check this one out. If A is 2, then B square will be equal to 6 into 2, 12. That's it. So A square is coming as 4 and B square is coming as 12. Hmm? Checked. Another equation. Did you got the equation, please? I didn't got any equation till here. Come on, say what equation you are getting this time. So this is the equation. I believe the equation will be coming to this level because where foci is given and latest rectum is given. Say. So here equation will become what? X square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1. This will become the equation. Understood? X square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1. This will become the equation. That's it. This is exactly the way to solve the question. This is a way to become solve the equation. This way is there where we are going to solve the question. Are we going to solve some more questions or is it okay for you? Because mostly they will give focus, they will give latest rectum, they will give directrix, and with the help of that they will be telling you to find the equations, and I think you will be able to find the equations, frame the equation. Is it okay? Shall we switch on to introduction of dimension, that is three-dimensional coordinate? Shall we switch off? Because the most important thing is exactly limits, derivatives. That section of the mathematics need a better assurance and better understanding, because the entire 12th pillar itself is limits. Understood? So definitely we are going to understand this part. Now let's see. Introduction in dimensional coordinate geometry. So what and all introduction part will be there? First, to understand this one. So for 3D we need to understand that. Okay, so you need to understand that how many rooms are there for three dimension. Three dimension means, see, two dimension means x axis and y axis. That's enough. Understood? But three dimension means, if you think very nicely, I'll be just drawing something, it will become very easy for you. So now you need to analyze this. This part will become what? This part is x and this part will be x dash. And this part is y and this part is y dash. This is z and this is z dash. So definitely when any point will be present in a space, any point will be present in a space, it will be considered as three dimension. Understood? So two dimension means plane, three dimension means space. So in the corner of your room, means in the corner of your room, you might be seeing that the wall is looking like this. So if any point will be present means the point, or any, like one mosquito is there, the mosquito is flying like this. Understood? Now this mosquito is connected to all the three corners of your room. Understood? X axis, y axis and z axis. Got it? Because its relation, it will be exactly connected to here, the origin point connection will be there. But when you will be checking, it will be connected with x axis also, it will be connected with y axis also, and it will be connected with z axis also. This is exactly called as the connection of a point present in a space with x axis, y axis and z axis. This is exactly coordinate point. Okay. So now we need to understand that once coordinate point we are going to understand. See, there are how many rooms present. By seeing this, what you are going to analyze? First tell me how many octant. Octant means 8. Octant means 8. Got it? Now I'm going to divide the room so that you can understand how many actual rooms are present. So first I'm going to draw this with different colors so that you can be able to understand. So this first I'm doing. Ah, nice, super. So if you are going to see this, first is boundary I have generated. Understood? How the boundary I have generated? This will become my first room. See, for three dimension, na, it will come like this, forward and this side. So this is one room for me. Understood? This part and this section, it is another room for me. And backside two rooms. So upside is four rooms and downside is four rooms. Total it is coming as how much? 8. And so only in three dimension it is called as octant. Octant means 8. Understood? What is the meaning of octant? Octant meaning is 8. So when we are studying octant, 8 part, now we are going to understand how this is exactly going to be divided. Got it? So whenever we are talking about plus x, so here it is x plus. So x will be exactly plus part. Same here, x dash will be there and x dash will be coordinated with minus. Understood? So here when you are going up, y will be coordinated with plus. And when we are going down, it is coordinated with minus. When we are going here plus, and this side is exactly coordinated with minus z. So definitely whatever number will be coming, that number will become positive and negative. Just check this one out, you will understand this. It's not a very big rocket science, a very simple mathematics is there. X, y, z. When I'm taking this first room, this first quadrant, so this is first octant, I will not say quadrant, octant. So first octant, if I'm taking this room, so here x, y, z, no dash is there, so all three are positive. All three are positive. Understood? So whatever numbers I am going to take, all the three numbers are going to come as positive. Now we will go that side. Here x is negative, y is positive and z is positive. So here it will become x dash y z. X negative, y positive, z positive. Now I am going, this is front room, now I am going back side. Back side if I am going, x is positive, y is positive, and this side of the room z is negative. So what we are going to write? X, y, z dash. So here positive, positive and negative. Now I am going this back side, front part of the room. Here y is positive, x is negative and z is negative. So what it will become? X dash, y, z dash. So it will become minus plus minus. So this is exactly coming as what? The four upside rooms quadrant is exactly coming like this. Understood? So now downside if we are going. Here x is positive, y is negative and z is positive. So what we'll write? X y dash z. So plus minus plus. If we are going that side, you check here, you itself check here, this room, this corner room, if this corner room somebody will be asking from you, how you are exactly going to draw this part? Here x dash is negative, y dash is negative and z is positive. So what you are going to write? X dash y dash and z, minus minus, and it is coming as plus. Backside if somebody will take you, so x dash is negative, y dash is negative, and z dash is also negative. So backside it will come x dash, y dash, z dash, negative, negative, negative. Now in this front section, x is positive, x is upside na, x is positive, y is negative, and z is positive. So x is positive, y is negative, z is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last part is x is positive, y is negative, z is negative. So plus, minus, minus. So this is exactly going to be the 8 octant sections. I hope you might have understood beta. So this is the way of writing. I hope you might have understood this one. So this is exactly coming as, say, 8 part is coming. Got it? So this is this is exactly going to be the 8 octant sections. So x y z, x dash y z, x y z dash, x dash y z dash, x y dash z, and this is exactly going to be all that section. So that understood now. Now beta, the section is simple. So 8 octant rule done. Now we are going to solve some questions. First we'll start with basics. You have to identify octants beta. So if somebody will tell you 2 comma minus 5 comma minus 7, are we going to wait for it? We can't write first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. In simple way we will say that it belongs to x, y dash, z dash. Understood? Negative means dash, positive means x, y, whatever is there. Understood? So if somebody will be writing it as minus 5, minus 3, minus 2, what we are going to write, Nishika? Minus 5, minus 3, and minus 2. How we are going to coordinate it as beta? It will become x dash, y dash, and z dash. So if somebody will be giving you like this, minus 7, 2 comma 5, it is 2 plus kahan pe? Minus hai here. So x is there. Plus means x, and here minus means dash. So here minus is there. So x dash, y, and z. So when minus will be there, dash you are going to put absolutely correct, Sujata. So you need to write like that only. Where plus will be there, you are going to write x. When minus will be there, you are going to write x dash. That much only you have to do. That much only you have to do. You need not to do anything. Understood. So this is coming as, yes. So this is coming as minus plus part will be there. So now this is the way of writing x dash, y dash, z dash, right, type rating is this only. So now we are going to go for, this is one part of NCRT book. We are going to understand with the help of this, find the image. See, most important questions where you will have problem. If somebody will tell you what is the image, understand image means what? First I am explaining you what is the meaning of image beta. So see, image means what? Let's first learn this. Let's first learn this. So if any person is standing here and that point is 3, 2, 3. Got it? So the image will be obtained here just opposite to this. Got it? So now 2, 3. You need to check with which quadrant axis it is exactly going to change. You tell me what can be the image of 3, 2, 3. Let's see you are understanding or not. What can be the image of 3, 2, 3? Here it is 3, 2, 3. What can be the expected image of 3, 2, 3? No, you need to, first you need to ask me. You need to ask me this question with respect to which axis? Where is my axis? In absence of axis, you can't be able to find the image because here many axis part is there. Na? If they will say that this point in YZ plane, image of this in YZ plane. Now first understand, if somebody will tell you beta, what is the image of this in YZ plane? YZ plane. That means yz plane is fixed. This yz plane is going to disrupt your x axis. Understood? So here its image in yz plane, what will be its image? Come on, say. Y part and z part will remain same, no change. So which part is going to change is 0 yz. Who taught you 0? Why 0 will be there? I need to ask this question. Object distance is always equal to, physics you have studied in class 10th. Now object distance is equal to image distance. Negative will come, but object distance is never negative. So whatever object sees, yz plane is there na beta, so yz plane is going to act as a mirror for you. Yz plane value will not change. If they will say that in yz plane means yz value will not change. What value changes? X value. So it will become, image will become -323. That's it. In yz plane. If same thing they will say xy plane. If same thing they will say in xy plane, come on, say. The moment it will be xy plane, then what answer will come? Come on, say. Come on, you can do it. XY plane, which will change? XY plane remains the same. What will change here is, absolutely correct, Siddharth. Thank you so much, beta. God bless you. So this is coming as 3, 2 and -3. Understood? So beta, which plane they will tell, that plane values will be fixed. It will not change. The plane which they are not telling, their distance only has to be found. And according to physics, object distance will be equal to image distance. So if this is 3, this distance will also become 3, but in negative axis. Understood? So if somebody will ask you this question, -2, 0 and 8 in xz plane. In xz plane. Now what answer you are going to give? See, they will definitely be playing with you when they are putting 0. 0 don't put there. Understood, Sujata? Same, absolutely correct, Siddharth. Why? Because here xz, bless you beta, xz part remains same. X and z part remains same. It was y who is going to become negative or positive. But here y part is not going to be becoming positive or negative, because y value is coming as 0. Understood? So image will be same, -2, 0, 8. Image will remain same. I hope you might have understood. Now we will be finding the image of -4, 0, 0 in xy plane. -4, 0, 0 in xy plane. -4, 0, 0 in xy plane. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Quickly say the answer. -4, 0, 0 in xy plane. What can be the answer? Hi, sir. What can be the answer? First you say. So what answer will be coming? -4, 0, 0. Sujata, Siddharth answer is correct. Rudra answer is correct. Your answer is going to be, Sujata, why we are going to xy plane means xy will become fixed now. So xy part is fixed. What is changing is 0 part. This is z axis. Z axis value is given 0. So if any other value might have given either 1 or 2 or any other value, then we could have thought of changing plus or minus. So here it is -4, 0. These two are fixed. Which one is going to change is 0, and here it is 0. So we can't do anything. So answer remains same. So -4, 0, 0. I hope, Sujata, you might have understood. It will not be +4. Now you understood. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. So you need to understand like that only. Whatever values are there, you need to be. I think Siddharth, all the answers he gave is correct only. So now look here. 5, 2, -7. Now you say in xy plane. Find the image in xy plane. So if the image in xy plane will be what? Come on, say the answer. Image in xy plane. See, xy plane means what? Xy plane will become fixed. So this is x plane and this is y plane. This value will become fixed. Absolute. So that correct answer. So answer will become 5, 2 and 7. So this will be the image of this point. This will become the image of this point 527. Absolute. I think I should leave this topic because you have understood this topic. So uh, these are exactly the points you need to write the equation for. So now we will be solving some questions. Now axis difference, axis point, they are writing this point. So distance formula, when you were in class 10th, you have understood distance formula now. So 3D distance formula, I'm going to teach you. This is just like a joke only, not going to be a big thing. So when you are finding distance between 2 points in two axes like x1 y1 and z1, sorry, x2 y2, so this is two dimension. This is exactly going to be what? Two dimension. So when two dimension distance you are finding, what you are writing? AB is equal to root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Correct now? So this is distance formula between these 2 points. So this minus this and this minus this we used to do. But when you will be having three coordinate points, then what you are going to write? The same point when it will be coming as A, coming as x1, y1 and z1. Extra fitting is there. B part is coming as x2, y2 and z2. Then AB distance will be coming as what? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. This is the only extra fitting. The extra fitting coming here is z2 minus z1 whole square beta, and rest of the things are same only. Z2 minus z1 whole square. Same distance formula for three coordinate points. We are going to write like this only. Is it okay? Did you understood this part? I hope you might have understood this section. So this is exactly the way to answer the questions. I hope you might have understood. Yes, so this is exactly distance formula. So if somebody will be asking you distance, means you will be able to solve the distance part. NCRT questions will be there. They will be asking you find the isosceles. You need to prove this as an isosceles triangle and all. So all concepts will be same. Only isosceles means 2 points are two sides will be equal, that you need to prove. Okay. One question is there. I'm going to solve this question. Get ready for it. The question is given to you is, check this one out very nicely, beta. This is NCRT question. I'm solving the NCRT question. Exemplar part may be there. So this question, because in exercise only coordinate finding and image finding is there. So exemplar part, sorry, that section only is there. So now find the locus. You know what is the meaning of locus, everyone? Find the locus of P. Means a point is there P whose locus we have to find equidistance. Understood? So if PA square plus PB square is equal to 2K square. Understood? Where A and B are points, where A and B are points, 3 comma 4 comma 5, 3 comma 4 comma 5, and next point is minus 1 comma 3 comma minus 7 respectively. Now come on, we can start solving this question. Please find the locus of P. How we are going to generate the idea, what is the meaning of locus of P? P can be a variable point. Understood? P can be considered as a variable point x, y, z. This is the only thing you can do here. Locus point coming like this only. Locus means the variable point. We can only have to take P as variable point. Come on, start solving. See, locus of a point. Locus of a point means that point will be exactly moving in such a way so that its distance with a fixed point remains the same. Understood? Like circle. When you will be talking about the center of the circle and the circumference will be rotating in such a way so that it will always be equidistant with the center. So locus point will keep on rotating. So here let the P point, we are going to take it as alpha, beta, gamma. So P point itself we will be taking as arbitrary point as x, y and z. Now its distance. So PA will become what, beta? Its point with A will become what? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus x minus a, then y minus 4 whole square plus z minus 5 whole square. This will become pa square because root and square will get cancelled. Okay. Next part, what will become beta? Pb. Pb means again this time it will become x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus z plus 7 whole square is equal to 2k square. Now you need to only solve it and get the answer in terms of x square, y square and z square. That's it. The term content is looking very difficult, but the answer is same only. Let's see, I'm going to solve this part bit and bring you the answer will come in the format of k square only. Nothing big thing is there. Locus of p means take p as a variable. Understood? Locus of p means take p as a variable and then start solving. This section will become what? X square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y plus z square plus 25 minus 10z plus x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y plus z square plus 49 plus 7 to the 14z is equal to 2k square. That's it. So here x square will become 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square. Till here it is done. Now we need to check x part is coming minus 6 you 6 minus 6 here you see here minus 6 part is there and here plus 2x is there. So minus 6 plus 2x will become minus 4x. Now y part see minus 8y and here it is minus 6y. So minus 14y. Done. Now here next part is z part c minus 10z and then plus 14z. So it will come as plus 4z. Till here story over. Now we need to find only the constant part because x square, y square, z square once came. Then x, y, z section also came. Now constant check 9 plus 16. 25, 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 1, 51. Understood? 51 plus 9, 60. 60 plus 49. 60 plus 49 will come 109. So here it is coming as plus 109 minus 2k square is equal to 0. This will become the equation. That's it. That's the end of the question. So this part exactly is going to be written like this format. When you will be writing into the equation format, you can write like this 109, 4z, whatever things are there. This will become the locus. So this is only one thing we did, beta. We took an arbitrary point. That arbitrary point will be moving in such a way, it will always give a constant distance. So we will take that arbitrary point as x, y, z and we will get the answer. Till here, is it clear, beta? Did you understood? Till here, is it okay? Did you understood the part? Shall we go for the next question, please? I hope you might have understood this. Got it? So this is exactly the way to proceed and solve the answer. This is exactly done. So this is that part where we are going to solve the questions with this type of ease and you will be getting the answers. I hope you might have understood these sections. Easy na beta? Is it going to be troubling you? So you will be able to solve or not? Now question number, another question I'm giving you. This question is again the question coming from NCRT book. Okay. So NCRT book question I'm going to solve first. Exemplar questions. What it is called as, Nishika? NCRT questions are called as what? So find the locus of a point. Question is find the locus of a point. Again beta, an arbitrary point we are going to take. See, many times what the different books are doing na, they will take arbitrary point as alpha beta gamma. Either you take alpha beta gamma and finally substitute as x y z, or directly first term itself you just understand that okay, it is x y z. That is same thing important. Understood? So now we are going to write this. Find the locus of a point. Find the locus of a point, the sum of whose distances from point A and B is equal to 10. The locus of a point, comma, the sum of whose distances from the sum of whose distances from the points A, that is 4 comma 0 comma 0, and B minus 4 comma 0 comma 0 minus 4 comma 0 comma 0 is equal to 10. This is exactly given. The sum of the distances is exactly equal to 10. Come on, go for this question. Try this question out. So that means let the arbitrary point be x, y, z. First we are going to write the arbitrary point. Let the arbitrary point be x, y, z. So let the point will be px comma y comma z. That means its distance pa plus pb will be equal to 10. This is exactly given. Understood? So this is the question. The locus of point P, the sum of whose distances from point A and B is equal to 10. Understood. The sum of whose distances from A and B is equal to 10. Shall we start solving this one? I hope you might have understood this one. Let's solve this question. Wow, very good. You got the answer? So beta, we can do one thing. We will write here as PA. I gave you time is equal to 10 minus PB. Now here PA square and this part square will be there. Understand not? So PA square will be coming as PA square is equal to, it will become 100 plus PB square minus 2 tens are 20 PB. Done. So like this we can write, and after that what we are going to do is PA square will be coming as what? See, x minus a part. A part is 4 comma 0. So it will become x minus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square equal to 100 plus PB. PB will become x plus 4 whole square, that is x plus 4 whole square is x square, x plus 4 whole square, x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square minus 20 pb. 20 pb will become root under x plus 4 plus y square plus z square. So here x y square plus z square, y square plus z square cancel. Now it is coming x square plus 4 minus 4 to the 8x equal to 100 plus x square plus, here sorry, 4 will become 16. This part will come as 16. And here it is coming as 100 square plus 16 plus 2 4 is 8x, and this part is coming as minus 20 root under x plus 4 whole square, and then y square plus z square is there. So now here if you see, x square and x square will get cancelled. Here plus 16 and plus 16 will get cancelled. You see nicely this part is coming as what? This section is coming as, you need to just distribute this part and get the answer. So this part will go that side, it will come, and this section, so it will come root under 20 x square plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square, and this section is coming as 100 plus 8 plus 8 16 x. Understood? Now beta, what we are going to do is, we will be shifting this again, we have to square both sides. So we can shift this 20 that side and square. So x, sorry, I wrote here x square. It will come x plus 4 whole square. So this section will be coming as root under partner. So x square plus 16 plus 2 fours are 8x plus y square plus z square, because I am going to square both sides. So once I am going to square both sides, it will become 400, and this section is equal to, it is coming as 100 plus 16x whole square. Understood? So after this, we need to solve this section and get the answer. So this is exactly totally based on how you are going to solve and bring the answer finally. Maybe tomorrow school will be there. I hope till here you have understood. I hope till here you have understood and it is easy for you to understand the content, please. So we are going to keep it till here. Beta, next class, maybe tomorrow I'm going to keep any class, because right now I'm totally involved with 12th. Some questions, one more class of 3D will be there. After that, we will be starting limits. Limits I'm going to teach very elaborated. 12th class limit, one time itself I will teach you. Okay. Bye everyone. Okay. Bye beta. Bye everyone. Good night.